Now I am going to add a base constant to avoid repeating the base URI later. So here, if you check carefully, here this URI is hard coded, right? So it's very difficult in future to maintain. So let's do it on thing. I'm going to like remove this thing outside. So I'm going to define on a string, 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 and the string name is like suppose base URI, base underscore URI, and then I'm going to initialize this value. So here I'm going to initialize this value from here. So I'm going to cut it, Control X. I'm not sure, it's not selecting. Again, I'm going to select it. So this way I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to initialize it inside this variable, and then I'm going to type a comma, semicolon basically, not comma. And now I'm going to remove this thing, and then I'm going to initialize the value here, base URI, base underscore URI. So now still I'm getting on error. So let me fix this thing. So here it should be a static. So I'm going to initialize it at a static. Okay, now the error will be gone. Now I want to do one other thing. I want to make it final, so that nobody can change it, or it will not be changed later. So I'm going to use final also, so it will be constant. And then finally I'm going to make it private, and that's it. So now we actually add the base constant to avoid repeating the base URI. So it will be constant always for the whole program. Now let's run it and check whether it is working properly or not. I'm going to run it again, and very shortly we'll see this thing. So still it is working, so there is no error, it's fine. Okay, so this is the thing which we did. Now in the next video we will further modularize this thing.